Hey y'all, if you're looking to transform your bathroom space into something really cool, well, we've got an easy little LED shower kit install we're gonna show you in this video. And if you stick around to the very end, we're gonna show you some other applications where you can use this as well. All right guys, so in this kit that we're gonna be talking about today, we're gonna link it in the description if you wanna purchase it, but this is everything that you're gonna get in the kit. So the first thing is this aluminum profile, which makes it possible to flush mount the LEDs. You're also gonna get a diffuser. So this is a little bendable, it'll snap right in. You're gonna get your cob LEDs, so these are gonna be high quality waterproof LEDs. Also in this kit, you're gonna get this converter, which is going to take your AC current to DC. Basically, this is what allows you to wire this up to a switch. It is dimmable. It's also suitable for wet locations like your bathroom. And you're going to get this low voltage wire, about 25 feet of it. So for most projects, that's going to be enough wire to get from your LEDs all the way to your converter. All right, so the only thing not included in this kit that you're gonna need is gonna be your light switch or whatever you're using to turn on and off the lights, and also the wire that would connect from your box to your light switch. And the reason for this is we always recommend getting a licensed electrician to come and do this for you. Now, if you were to do it on your own, it's a pretty simple process with a dimmer switch like this one. Basically, you have green for ground, you're gonna connect those two, and you're gonna connect one of each of these wires to the two remaining wires. So it's a pretty straightforward job, but as always, if you are going to mess with electricity, make sure that your power breakers are off. All right, so as far as your aluminum profile goes and installing this, you're gonna see the channel right here, which is where your LEDs are gonna go. And so it's gonna be facing this direction. And you're also going to notice that there is there's a little bit of a setback here where you screw this in. So basically your tile is going to sit flush with that. So imagine that there's a wall right here and this is your shower niche. So you're gonna frame it out, you're gonna put your green board on, and then you're going to screw this up into your green board. Now, one of the things that's important when you do this is to leave enough of a gap behind this to where the tile going up the back of the wall can go up basically past your channel here, so it's a nice clean look. All right, so also during the framing process, you wanna make sure you go ahead and run your low voltage wire. So in this case, we actually ran our low voltage wire from the start of the channel there around, and there's actually a HVAC closet right here. So you need to mount your converter somewhere. We mounted it in here just because it's easy access to get to, and our electrician basically ran the power from the light switch to our converter, right? So this goes in beforehand. You want to make sure you do this before all the green board and all that kind of stuff, because you don't want to have to drill holes after the fact. It's easier if you do this beforehand. So once that gets done and you put that channel in there, you're going to run this up. Now this does have sticky tape on it, so that's going to help you as far as laying it in there. Whether that holds or not, you know, with moisture and everything else, more than likely at some point it's not going to hold, but that's why you have the diffuser in there that's going to hold everything in there. Now, as far as hooking up your LEDs go, the LEDs have two wires, very simple. Your low voltage wire has two wires, very simple. You're going to hook one up to each and basically run this in series all the way back to your converter, which has two wires, right? So just one wire is basically going all through to one end, one to the other. Last but not least, we recommend putting a little bit of silicone in both of these corners to kind of seal it off from moisture getting up in there if you're taking a steam shower and that kind of thing. All right, so all in all, a pretty simple process to install this. If you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comments. And if you're curious about those other applications, there's one right here. So right on this threshold, we actually mounted one up underneath here as well. And if you are looking to do something like this or underneath a shower seat, then make sure you get the right kit. Because there's some that are just for one area, and there's some that are two. You're gonna need a different converter depending on how many lines you're running. So anyways, hope this helps. Good luck on your next project.